Okay, so you should have done example 6, and we're going to check and see if you got it right. So example 6. So number 6 says that I have 3 over 7 plus 9x over 14 is less than 1 over 14 plus an x. Again, you don't like these fractions, so I'm going to multiply the entire thing by a number that both 7 and 14 go into. Well, 7 and 14 both go into 14. So I'm going to distribute this 14 to every single thing in these parentheses. So I have 14 times my 3 over 7 plus my 14 times my 9x over 14 less than 1 over 14 times my 14 plus my x times 14. Okay, we're just going to clean this up. Here we go. So this is like 14 over 1. So you can do 14 times 3 over 7 in your calculator, or you can know that 14 divided by 7 is 2, and then 2 times 3 is 6. But either way, just type this in your calculator screen, do 14 times 3 over 7, and you're going to get the answer of 6. Plus, these 14s cancel out. You're going to multiply by 14 and divide by 14, so you're left with 9x is less than 1 over 14 times 14. 1/14 of 14 is simply 1, or you can type that in your calculator. X times 14 is what we call 14x. And so now we have to put our apples with our apples and our oranges with our oranges. So I'm going to minus my 9x minus my 9x. 6 is less than 1 plus 14 minus 9. Don't guess, use your calculator. 14 minus 9 is 5x. Minus 1 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Less than 5x. I'm just going to copy this down again because I'm going to run out of space. So 5 is less than 5x. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Is less than x. Okay, last two problems. So my last two problems are under this last tab called Special Cases. So there's example 7 and example 8. So let's copy it down and see if we can get it right. So number 7. 6 times x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 17 plus x. Okay, so here we go. 6 has to get distributed in. So you're going to have 6x plus 6 times 3 is 18 less than. And this time I'm going to put the apples with the apples. So I have a 5x plus another x. A 5x plus another x is going to get me a 6x plus 17. So now I'm going to move my 6x over, and those cancel out. And now you have 18 is less than 17. All your x's went away. So now you have to ask yourself, is 18 less than 17? No, it is not. So that means there was no solutions. This right here is what we call a false statement. It's not true, it's false. So that means there are no answers. All my x's went away. I got a false statement. There are no solutions. So let's see what happens with number 8, since it's also under the special tabs category. I have 3 times 3x plus 2 is bigger than or equal to 4 plus 9x minus 3. So again, I'm going to distribute my 3 in. 3 times 3 is going to make a 9x. 3 times 2 makes a 6. Bigger than or equal to. I'm going to put my apples with my apples again. We'll use a green marker. I have a 4 here minus a 3 there. A 4 minus a 3 is a 1 plus 9x. I'm going to minus my 9x and minus my 9x. I still have that 6 there. So 6 is bigger than or equal to. Those cancel out, so I just have a 1. This says 6 is bigger than or equal to 1. Okay, let's just stop and think for a second. Up here, I got 18 was less than 17. We know that's not true. It's false, so there was no solutions. 6 is bigger than or equal to. Well, it's definitely bigger than 1. This is what we call a true statement. Since there's no more x's left and we got a true statement, the answer is all real numbers. All the numbers that you deal with in Algebra 1 are real numbers, and all of those numbers, all real numbers, make this a true statement. So this has no solutions, and everything for this one down here is a solution. Hopefully that helps you out, and now what you need to do is you need to pull your homework sheet out for first semester that I gave you last week. Reminder, it's due on Thursday this week, and you need to work and get it done. Pretty please. Be good for the substitute. Thank you.